The following video is an explanation of the Hungarian scientist who invented the holocycle and the operation of the device for measuring living and non-living things.
What I have discovered, and can already be seen by measurement, is the hidden existence behind the real physical existence. If you have this from mathematics, then ordinary existence, which everyone knows, can be represented by real numbers. I claim, and it can now be measured, that there is also an existence that can be represented by imaginary numbers. Mathematics calls the two together complex numbers, so mathematically it could be called complex existence. But this is not a good word, because one thinks of something else when hearing this. So I claim that existence in the world is not only real, mathematically speaking, but complex. Complex number consists of two parts. One is the real part, which everyone knows, and the other is added, the imaginary part. Imaginary was created by interpreting the root -1. Unless we can perceive the real part, we only see complex numbers as real. What's more, the imaginary part can't even be perceived in principle. It's not on the number line in math. Whoever has only imaginary or 1,000 imaginary apples is even more nothing than having 0 apples, because the imaginary never manifests itself in the world of the number line. On the other hand, if we multiply imaginary by minus imaginary, then the result is 1. So from the even more than nothing, something emerges to the known, experiential existence. If we are not only looking for experiences that can be perceived with the senses, but also include cosmic intelligence, which is responsible for the essential part of life, then either the whole observation becomes mystical or there is no other choice. Experiences must be interpreted in the light of complex numbers. Previously, these were only philosophies, because there was nothing with which the explanations and theories created in this sphere could be connected. Such things as the theory of the holographic universe. I defined what I mean by the complex charge and how it is located in the transistor. Then I made devices that produce such complex charges and the device that converts hidden charges into real charges. Because of these, such theories can now be verified and measured. It is important to note that devices producing hidden charges have many strange effects, and various hidden charge-producing devices have a logical common theory. Based on the theory, it was possible to produce a step-by-step reversal of the devices producing the hidden charge, so the system is internally logically complete. And since this hidden charge is located exactly where we see signs of life, it is very obvious that it is related. This is a fresh discovery, but the sensor has already recognized the hidden charges correctly and proportionally at least 1,000 times. The probability of this happening by chance is like hitting the lottery 3 weeks in a row with the same numbers. The measuring sensor works by transforming the world's hidden charges into real charges, and the holocycle is just the opposite. It connects hidden charges around the charges introduced from the button cell, whose appearance in the living organism provides a more effective basis for the healthy functioning of the body. When the holocycle is exposed to harmful radiation such as mobile phone, it makes them living, so the mobile radiation can no longer harm.
Okay, that's all for this video. Stay tuned as we release more insightful content to help you understand the hidden world from which all living and non-living things originate.